You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word or this name in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and names, stay tuned. I've got more videos, more pronunciations, pronounced generally as ma. Between other meanings, it means it's short for mama or mother. Ma. How to pronounce English pronunciation ma. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.